This is the 2Trades Pro indicator. In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to show you exactly what it's all about. Everything inside the system is designed to help guide a disciplined and repeatable process, starting with higher time frame liquidity. This section plots previous highs and lows from up to 3 selected timeframes directly on your chart. These are areas where liquidity commonly rests and where price is most likely to react. You can customize each time frame with its own color and line thickness to help separate stronger levels from weaker levels. The extend setting controls how far these levels extend to the right, while labels can display the time frame and whether the level is a high or low. Previous day high and previous day low are also included, as they are some of the most respected liquidity levels in the market. Also included are higher time frame fair value gaps. You can display 15-minute, 30-minute, and 1-hour FVG zones directly on the chart. These zones represent imbalances in price that may attract future reactions. You can choose how many zones remain visible per time frame, how far they extend, and whether labels are shown. Zones are automatically removed once fully mitigated, helping keep the chart clean and relevant. Next is inversion fair value gaps, or IFVGs. This is where trade setups begin to form. The system identifies imbalances in price, tracks when those imbalances are invalidated, and creates potential reversal opportunities. You can control the maximum number of IFVG zones visible at once to keep the chart organized. Minimum gap size helps filter weaker setups, and the directional spread filter prevents multiple setups from forming too close together in the same direction. The spread setting controls how far price must move before another valid setup can form in the same direction. Colors, borders, labels, and text size can all be customized. For execution, automatic entry lines can be plotted based on the inverse fair value gaps. The entry offset controls how far from the zone the line is placed, allowing a more aggressive or conservative approach depending on the instrument being traded and should be adjusted accordingly as it is measured in points. And each trading session and instrument varies. A midpoint entry is also available, representing a retest into the center of the IFVG, giving you more of a conservative entry model. Moving into internal liquidity. This section tracks smaller scale liquidity within market structure. These are areas where traders commonly place stops, making them targets for price. Sensitivity controls how frequently levels are detected. Lower sensitivity creates fewer but stronger levels, while higher sensitivity creates more frequent levels. You can choose the maximum active levels and maximum swept levels shown on the chart. When a level is swept, it changes appearance to show that liquidity has been taken. After multiple touches, levels are automatically removed to keep the chart focused and clean. Finally, the confluence checklist brings everything together. This system tracks conditions across each selected time frame. It begins by waiting for price to take a previous high or low, confirming liquidity has been swept. Once that happens, it waits for an IFVG to form in that direction. At the same time, it monitors whether price has tapped into a higher timeframe FVG for added confluence and delivery. As conditions begin to stack, the setup becomes stronger. The checklist updates in real time, and its position and size can be adjusted to fit your chart and works on all timeframes. This entire system is designed to remove guesswork and help you focus on stacked confluence, structure, and confirmation instead of a single signal. We are available to answer any questions you have through the support chat on Whop.